All right, my amazing artists. In this video, we're going to learn how to color our Jen Stark pumpkin. To start, we're going to start with our pumpkin drips. And we're going to have them be where one slice is going to be cool colors. One side here on the right is going to be warm. And then the middle is going to be a combo. So for example, our warm colors are red, orange, yellow, pink, and red, violet. Those are the colors that remind us of things that are warm. Our cool colors are blue, green, violet, green, and blue. These are our colors that remind us of being cool and cold. So I'm going to take my warm color and I'm going to color in a drip section of the pumpkin. So I want to really make sure when I'm coloring in nice and solid, little to no white, that it's all going in just that drip area. And then the next one I'm going to pick another color, and I'm going to, again, because this is my warm color slice, I'm going to color it with another warm color. And so you're just going to keep repeating this over and over until all of these drips are done. You'll stop when you get to this section here. The only thing I'd pay attention to is try not to make your last drip orange in either of the mixed or the warm color, just because this section here you will end up coloring orange. So let's pretend like I got that all done. I'm going to show you our cool color side. Here I am going to take a cool color, so I'm taking this yellow green and coloring that in and making that nice and solid. Again, you're going to alternate your different cool colors to fill in those drips. Make sure you're coloring it dark enough so that the color is bright and bold. Now let's pretend like I got that done. We're going to talk about how to do the middle section. When coloring in this area, you just want to pay attention maybe which ones are next door. So like I wouldn't want to use green, yellow, green, or orange on this part, because then they might look like they're merging together. I could use this purple again here because they're far enough apart that they wouldn't be touching one another. You can decide to make it a pattern where it is cool, warm, that's up to you, or you could just alternate it where you're using a warm and then maybe you use two cools and you just are choosing different colors. So like here, if I wanted to do a warm and then a cool after it, I could create something like that, a pattern. Again, you're going to stop when you get to the end of the drips right here. And our stem, we're going to leave black and white. You can choose to make this a color if you want, or I like to color it in with my marker and make it a solid black. But that's up to you. You can make it a color circle or you can make it black. For our pumpkin, I'm going to just show you one slice and you're going to kind of repeat it over and over. So you're going to first just take a orange and color lightly with, actually that's a red orange, a regular orange. The whole section that's underneath the drips. Then to give it a highlight in the middle, we're going to take a yellow and we're just going to color in the middle section here to kind of give that lighter tone here in the middle. Then I'm going to take my red orange and along the edge of the marker's edge, I'm going to just lightly put a red orange on top of my orange to make a shadow. And I'm going to go again against this marker line. I'm not coloring the whole thing. I'm not pressing super hard. And then I'm just going to go right under the drips a little bit to give a shadow from the dripping paint. And I'm going to repeat this step multiple times in all three sections. When you're done, you're going to cut out your pumpkin and you're going to cut next to the black line, not on it, but next to it, and then glue it down to a piece of paper. I hope you have fun. Enjoy!